Mosquito-borne diseases have been a scourge for thousands of years, with huge armies defeated and economies shattered. We were therefore relieved to read reports announcing an effective malaria vaccine, following clinical trials in Burkina Faso conducted by the University of Oxford, the Serum Institute of India and others. This West African country has a long and hot season followed by monsoon rains, when mosquitoes emerge in huge swarms. The R21 vaccine has shown an efficacy of 77% and targets the circumsporocyte protein CSP of the malarial parasite, Plasmodium falciparum. The sporocyte stage of this parasite secretes CSP. Mosquito bites transfer the CSP and sporocytes into the human bloodstream, and the CSP nudges the parasite towards the liver, where it enters liver cells, matures and proliferates. The release of mature merocytes marks the onset of the symptoms of malaria. Efficient vaccines. The WHO has just cleared another vaccine, called Mosquirix, from GlaxoSmithKline, GSK, of the UK. With the involvement of the London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine, the vaccine has been tested in Kenya, Malawi and Ghana on over 800,000 children and shows an efficiency of over 50% in the first year, but dropping as time progresses. The Global Vaccine Alliance, Gavi, is planning to purchase the vaccine for countries that request it. See a report by Apurva Mandavilla published in New York Times. Bharat Biotech of Hyderabad has entered into a deal with GSK to develop this vaccine in India, with a dedicated facility at Bhubaneswar. Another rapidly spreading disease is dengue. It is spread by Aedes aegypti mosquitoes, which happily grow in small stagnant pools of water, such as in discarded tires. 4 serotypes of the dengue virus are found. Serotypes make vaccine development difficult, as a different vaccine is needed against each serotype. A vaccine against dengue, Dengvaxia, from Sanofi Pasteur, is approved in several countries and shows efficacies ranging from 42% to 78% against the 4 serotypes of the virus. Fighting dengue. In India, Zydus Cadila has been developing a DNA vaccine against dengue. Dr. Iswaran Srikumar at the Rajiv Gandhi Centre for Biotechnology, Thiruvananthapuram, has modelled a consensus of the 4 serotypes, which is the basis for Zydus Cadila's DNA vaccine, using a platform that the company successfully developed for their COVID-19 vaccine. Using parasites. Other innovative methods to fight dengue have been in the pipeline. One particularly interesting strategy involves a bacterium, Wolbachia pipientis, an intracellular parasite commonly found in many insects, but not in the dengue-carrying mosquito. When introduced into this mosquito's cells, this parasite competes successfully against other parasites, such as the viruses that cause dengue, chikungunya, yellow fever and Zika. Aedes mosquitoes, doped with Wolbachia in the laboratory, are released in localities where the disease is prevalent. They quickly spread the bacterium to native Aedes mosquitoes, and the incidence of new dengue cases starts to decline. In a controlled release study in Jakarta, researchers from the Gadjah Mada University placed clusters of Aedes mosquito eggs infected with Wolbachia in 12 localities of the city in December 2017. 9 other localities served as controls, no Wolbachia released. By the time the study was halted in March 2020 due to the pandemic, the 12 localities registered 77% fewer cases of dengue fever compared to the control localities. The intensity of the fever was less, too, with an 86% drop in hospitalizations due to dengue. Prevention of disease. Another way of preventing, rather than curing, mosquito-borne diseases is to accurately predict the next outbreak, and focus your healthcare and mosquito control machinery accordingly. Both mosquitoes and the Plasmodium parasite need warm, moist weather to flourish. Using data continuously gathered by environmental satellites, such as the NOAA-19, scientists at ICMR's National Institute of Malaria Research have built elaborate models that correlate monthly rainfall data and data on annual statewide incidence of dengue and malaria with the El Niño Southern Oscillation, which influences global atmospheric circulation. The result is an early warning tool that forecasts the start of an outbreak and the dynamics of its progression, along with estimates of the likely number of cases. Therefore, health authorities can begin cautionary measures several weeks in advance to minimize the impact of an outbreak. This information is currently available for Indian states. Refining it to the district level should be the